the operational risk in insurance is extremely high. And I'll tell you the ineffective use of technology and with some few live examples. We all know there was a 9 by 11 which has happened in US, and there was an insurer who was getting reinsured, who was further reinsured, and the chain was continuing, and it had a domino effect. The last insurer who was actually on the reinsurance side also had a direct channel which has insured the client and also reinsured the client, but both the departments are not talking to each other. There was accumulation of the risk. And finally, what happened was the entire chain collapsed. So many insurers had to shut their shop. This is the meaning of technology I'm talking about. In insurance language, I don't know how much you all are aware of, we call it accumulation of risk. This was not realized by them at that time, and many insurance companies have had to shut their shop. So what I'm only also trying to say, and also made a statement about the problem which we need to find out and then develop a solution. Otherwise, just make a solution and then find for a problem. And we've seen that in many cases, and that's where I was with one of the largest HMOs of US, market cap being more than $110 billion and so on. And they just mentioned about the overuse of technology and the wastage of technology. And I asked him, what does that mean? And this is a conversation of 2000, I think 16 or so. They had some couple of billions of dollars for next 7 years planned for capex for technology. And from those couple of billions of dollars, they had few millions of dollars budgeted for a waste. Now, many a times, we as CEOs, we need numbers and blah, 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 all those things. But technology wastage is also inevitable. So just budget this in mind, that there will be some excess 10-20% you'll be spending, but that's fine. That's budgeted in your cost and make those solutions, because there are no ready-made solutions available in insurance. And that's the reason I was talking about the aggregation platform. For an example, my friend on this side will have a superb technology. The other insurer on the life side may have a little slightly different. Every insurer is at the different stages of technology in terms of maturity.